What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to link your Rockstar Games account with your Steam account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. For you guys that did not know, you can actually link your Steam and Rockstar Games accounts together. So I'm gonna go through the process with you. So to link your Steam account and your Rockstar Games account, you need to follow a specific steps. Of course, firstly, you need to open the Steam, and if you need to, log into your account. Second step is launch the Rockstar Games title you purchased with the Steam. Sign into the Rockstar Game Launcher with your Rockstar Game account credentials and verify your account with the email sent to the email address associated with your Rockstar Games account. Click play on Steam to launch your game from the Rockstar Games launcher, and the important thing is only one Rockstar Games account can be linked to your Steam account at the time. So to repeat it, you need to open Steam, launch the Rockstar game title you purchased with the Steam, sign into the Rockstar game launcher with your Rockstar account credentials, and then verify your account with the email sent to the email address associated with the Rockstar game account. Click play on Steam, and basically you have successfully connected Steam and Rockstar accounts. So guys, that's the entirety of the process, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.